What is good with the YouTube? It is your boy, Sean Rock to the represent Mandatory Thrive, because every day it is mandatory for us to thrive, and I am back again with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about being a high value person. Being a high value person is not based on your circumstances, your situations, or your past. Being a high value person is based on your mentality, your mindset, right? What are you trying to manifest? Are you willing to do what it takes to take yourself to the excel level, to take yourself to the elite level, right? To take yourself to the level that you've never been before. And it all starts with getting outside of your comfort zone. If you're comfortable, you're not being challenged. There needs to be a daily challenge that you're faced with every day. There needs to be some form of adversity. Key example, let's say you started off doing 5 push-ups. Initially, that first 5 push-ups is going to be hard to do for 5 sets. But after you have mastered your push-up form, after you have mastered that amount of reps, your body does it naturally. So if initially your body will grow from it. But after doing it for so long, your body adapts and it becomes regular. Like waking up in the morning, it becomes regular. Like eating a meal, it becomes regular. So what do you have to do? You have to step outside of your comfort zone by either increasing the sets of the workout, or increasing the reps of the workout, or increasing the duration of the workout. And when you add that increase, it's going to make you outside of your comfort zone. And when you get outside of your comfort zone, you're going to produce more results. So the same rule applies in all things in life. You have to continually push yourself outside of your comfort zone. Initially, first getting out of your comfort zone will be coming outside and talking to people. But if you consistently do that and develop that habit, eventually that's going to be easy and it's going to be second nature to you. Then you have to take it a step further. Okay, now I'm comfortable with talking to people one-on-one. Am I ready to get on the main stage and talk in front of a crowd? And then eventually that's going to become easy, right? So you have to continuously increase. So over time you become high value. That's the name of the game, of being high value. It's a spot that you don't just get. It's a spot that you have to earn, but it has to start in the mind. You have to manifest it in the mind first, right? Our thoughts shape our reality. So if I wake up every day saying, I'm never going to lose 10 pounds. I'm never going to get that dream career. I'm never going to write that book. I'm going to manifest that because my thoughts will flow through my actions. Because my thoughts will lead me towards my actions. But if I'm thinking, if I just lose 1/2 a pound, one step at a time, I can lose 1/2 a pound. What do I need to do to produce tangibly losing 1/2 a pound? I need to eat 500 calories less, or I need to do cardio every day. And then you'll manifest those actions and produce the result that you want. But you have to be changing the way that you think. And you have control over it. Even though your initial thoughts could be negative, they don't have to stay there. You could take a negative thought and turn it into a positive thought, right? A thought can come across your head is, I'm not good enough. But you can change that and tell yourself, I'm high value. I'm good enough. I can do this. I can excel. I'm great. I'm a born leader. I'm a teacher. I have more to offer. I have purpose. I have a plan. I have a vision. Once you start shaping your mind with these type of concepts, the sky ain't the limit. There is no limit. You set the bar. It all starts with here. But to be a high value person, You have to have high value thinking, high value action. Right? You can't think like this. You gotta think like this. You bigger than your problems. You bigger than your circumstances. You bigger than your brokenness. You bigger than your past. You bigger than your upbringing. It's all up to you to make it great. High value thinking, high value actions, high value results. So remember, dream big, work hard, live great. Don't stop. It's your boy Sean Rock Titter. I'm signing out. Peace.